Have you heard? August 21st at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, p.m., it goes down. I am going to be using my Canva editable template to show you all how to create and design a cash envelope. Why, you might ask? Because, duh, people want to save money all the time, right? And so what better way to help you save money is to have something that's customized specifically for you. So I will walk you through the steps on how to use my Canva template. I'll print it out on live, I will cut on live, and I will also assemble on live. But get this, you will also be able to receive a free image to use with my Canva template. So, August 21st at 7 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, it goes down. I cannot wait to see you all there. Bring your questions. Let's have fun. And yeah, catch y'all on the flip side. Bye.